Right now, okay. You are visible right now.
Okay. So, hello, Jackie.
Hi, brother. Good afternoon.
Very, very good afternoon. How are you doing?
Yes, brother.
I'm asking to you, how are you doing?
So, brother, I am doing well. And how about you?
Yeah, I'm doing also well as you.
Oh. So, brother, we are meeting first time. So, can you introduce yourself little bit so I can know about you?
Okay. Okay, so my name is Abhishek Pandey and I come from Madhya Pradesh. And if I talk about my hometown city, so my hometown city is Satna, where I was born and brought up. And if I talk about my qualification, so I have completed Master of Computer Application this year, and before that I did BSc in a PCM.
So, brother, you are
And right now,
intelligent person. You are
right,
yes, brother. Yes.
and right now I'm working at a one company.
Oh. So, brother, can I
Yeah,
introduce myself?
yeah, I'm very curious to know about yourself.
So thank you, brother. So my name is Zakir Hussain. Already mentioned my name, and I am hailing from Kodbir district, which is located in West Bengal, and I am working in West Bengal Police, and I have complete my 7 years service in West Bengal Police. Brother, that's all about me.
Oh, so you are in a police.
Yes, brother. I am working in West Bengal Police.
What is your designation?
My designation is constable, the lower post of police.
No, but but you have a government job. So this is the question.
Brother, can you speak loudly, little bit?
Okay. So now it's clear.
Yes, yes. Right now is clear.
Okay. Okay. So I am saying because you have a government job, so you are a very lucky. So don't be regret.
Can you repeat again, brother?
Yeah. Okay. So I am saying you have a government job. So you are lucky and you don't be a regret, and you should not be a regret. Okay.
Yes, yes, brother. You are absolutely right. And there is no regret in my life. So every person have a passion to get a job and they can prosper their lifestyle. So I am happy with this job because I am the earning source of my family and I have no regret in my life. So I am happy with this job, I can say.
Okay.
So brother,
Okay. So that's it.
yes, yes.
Yeah. Yeah. You can ask me what you are asking.
So currently, brother, you are complete your master's in computer. So, brother, actually, what is your ambition as a government sector or private sector?
Okay, so I can say ambition is my I have so much ambition in my throughout the life, and I want to earn a lot of money for my family. So because you have to earn a lot of money, so I can say so private job is possible to earn a lot of money because when you have a private job, so you are upgrading yourself day by day and you are upskilling yourself. So after doing 10 and 15 years job in a private company, and then you gained a lot of knowledge from there, and after that you will open your own family, own company, and you can hire a own those employers who has very needed for the job. So my ambition is generate a job in a future.
Oh. So, brother, currently, are you think that at this generation, English is very essential for every child, those who are growing up? And I have a daughter; she is 3 years old. So what is your point of view? And I admit her in English medium as my native language, because brother
Okay, so
there is
now,
no as a government opportunity to admit her in the government school. Every government school are there in Bengali medium, because I am belong from West Bengal and my native language is Bengali. So can you suggest me something about this matter, because you are
okay,
complete your masters in computer science, so that's why I asked you this question.
okay, so you would teach your daughter and son.
3 years old
Only
now.
you have a daughter.
3 years.
Only you have a daughter.
Yes.
Okay. So you would like to teach your daughter in a English medium, because English is a very essential and necessary for everyone, because if you go to do advanced courses, and if you want to pursue advanced courses, so all those courses are in English based. So it is that time your daughter would upgrade yourself, and she will want to a higher position in a private job. So I can say English is a very necessary in every field. So all the advanced concepts will be in English. So I think you will get your daughter admission in an English medium school, not a native.
But brother, English medium school is very expensive in my area.
Yeah,
Even the tuition
I
fee are
know.
very expensive. So it was very difficult as a parent. I realize it. If I admit my daughter in English medium school, in the tuition fee, school fee, even the bus fee, there are a lot of expenses. And sometimes I think that I cannot bear it. But currently, this generation is involved with English. Even
Yes, yes, no.
because 80% student they are involved in private sector, or 20% people they get the job in the government sector. But after
Yeah.
10 years, 20 years, it will be very challenging for get a government job.
It's a true, because in a future, so it will very difficult to get a job in a government, because all things will be automated in a future, and also AI is omnipresent. So lot of jobs
Yes.
are losing their employees, and those person who are not very good at the technology. So companies companies are hiring them, and apart from technology, so both are important, technology and as well as the English language, because all those concept of technology written in English. So we need English if you want to learn technologies like OpenAI, and there are so many technology skills. So
So
we need English,
yes, yes.
I think. But I can give a one suggestion. If you want to your daughter get admission in a native school, so you will have to uh, like uh, you will have to provide an environment for your daughter to speak this language.
Yes. So
So
even
you will have to
yes, yes.
yeah, you will have to maintain the environment in your home for English language. So your daughter will be automatically learn English, and they will passionate about this language. She will passionate about this language.
And even right now, AI is captured almost 30% job, especially the software related job. So after 10 years, if you have skill, if you have knowledge, then you are applicable. Otherwise, it will be nothing. Even the AI is almost captured 20 or 30% job right now.
Yeah.
After 10 years, 20 years later, the technology will be advanced, everything will be advanced, and that time it will be very difficult to get a job, especially in private or government sector. And even right now is we are fall behind of English. Whole world involved with English. If you have a skill,
Yeah.
if you have anything, but you don't know English, then it will be challenging for you. But English is very important, even your creativity is very important. But English medium school are very expensive, and I think lot of, and sometimes I frustrated, so I can't bear it, lot of expenses, but I have to carry it because it is the my daughter future depend on me. That's why I asked you this
Yeah.
question.
That's why you are learning this language
Yes, brother.
for a daughter. Okay, this is the best reason for your life because you want to teach your daughter in an English language and so that's why you are learning this language and you will provide the environment for your daughter at home for speaking this language.
Yeah, no. Currently, she is 3 years old, and even I don't pressurize her because, and I am not fluent in English. So that's why I am improving this language. And when I get the fluency of English speaking, then I teach him how to speak, and I communicated with her in English. And this is the actual goal
Yeah,
for learning this language.
yeah. And there is a one reason because we know English language and we can understand everything in English. But although when we speak, so that time will start. You know,
So, brother, wait, I connected my headphone.